Hi guys! Nandito ako for Mid-Year Money Check! Nasaang part ka na ba ng financial goals mo? Kalagitnaan na ng taon, B. May naipon ka na ba? Or masaya ka ba sa takbo ng finances mo ngayong 2025? Or isa ka din ba sa mga nagsabing, next month pa lang ako magsisimula? Pero until now, wala ka pa ding progress. Hi, I'm Rai. I'm IT by profession and I'm a 10-year financial advisor in Sun Life. I was able to help more than 1,000 families and sa ngayon, nire-review ko yung mga financial portfolio ng mga clients ko. So guys, halfway na tayo ng taon. Pero be honest, may naipon ka na ba? May emergency fund ka na ba? May insurance ka na ba? Kasi alam mo ba, June is the best time to hit reset on your financial goals. Ito na yung time to review your savings or i-check mo kung insured ka na ba. Start and adjust investment or plan ahead para sa bare months. Kasi kung hindi mo pa yan titignan ngayon, kailan pa? Don't wait until end of the year para lang magsisi. Kasi ang totoo, it's not too late. You still have 6 months to make your 2025 your breakthrough year financially. Ano yung mid-year money checklist mo? So, dapat meron kang savings, insurance, investment, and emergency fund. Kung isa dyan, kulang pa sa'yo, it's okay. Ang mahalaga, you take action now. So guys, I'm offering free consultation, no pressure, no commitment, just real talk about your finances. So message me directly on my social media accounts or talk to your Sunlight financial advisors today. Bye!